Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today what we're doing is putting up a new motor for this lathe. This is what it looks like currently. When the old motor burnt out, a friend modified that motor onto here for me so that I could use it in the meantime. And then there is the new motor. As you can see, everything on here we're going to have to take off, put it onto the new motor, and then eventually put the new motor on there. Right. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright. In there to take this part of the pulley off, there's a set screw in here that needs to be undone or loosened up. And on the other side as well. And again, like I say, we call it in South Africa Allen keys. That's what those set screws take to be undone. I don't know what you guys call them abroad. Here in South Africa, we just call it the easy way, which is an Allen key. So there we go. And the pulley slides off. Right, so now everything that we need off of the old motor, we've got off. So we can put that aside. And we'll bring the new motor closer. So in the new motor here, we've got this that we need to take out. Also, we need to do it carefully so that we don't bend or break it. With the pliers, I just took it off. Alright, put that one side. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the pulleys on. Then what we'll do for now is we'll put it back. It's going to make it easier for us in order to find the slot better on the pulley. Look at the pulleys, they've got slots there which goes over here. Slide it over. Again, take your Allen key. Okay. And we tighten that set screws. At the end of the day, you don't want that to move. Let me see if I've got a longer Allen key here. Unfortunately not. We're going to have to be happy with this one. So, we do this. Make sure it's nice and tight. Also, don't strip it or break it. Yeah, one of my next video would be also is to change out these pulleys. I actually just forgot not to get a new set for the motor. About 2 months ago, I actually changed out the set on the spindle. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video of that. But yeah, let's make a video of this. Okay. Line up the slot again. And push it in. There we go. So that's done. So now put the spring back. Right. Let's lift it up like that. Then what we're going to do is put that circular back. And me and these circlips aren't usually friends. So let's see, and there we go. This one actually went in very nice. Let's just make sure that it is nice and tight. Let's see that in the groove. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's all done. Now we can go and put our motor back onto the lathe. Okay, now we are up to the stage where the motor is fitted. One thing I have noticed was the original bolts to bolt the motor in with was too long, so it was pushing against the body here. So what I did was and also to make it easier for myself, I actually replaced them with these ones that I just cut a little bit shorter with the angle grinder and then bolt the motor on. So now that we are up to this stage, we can carry on assembling and finishing up the lathe.